Hey, what's up, you guys? Back with me, Gary Rose Makes Alive. Today, I'm gonna teach you how to draw in digital art. It's gonna be super easy because it's all digital. First, you have to do is you draw the eyes, right? This is the eyes. Okay, don't have to draw. Doesn't have to be even nice. Just draw the eyes, nose, and we are almost done. Don't go away. Don't go away. Listen to me. It's gonna be perfect. Don't worry about it. It's gonna be perfect. Just trust me. Just trust me. Okay. You make this now. Now this is the hardest part. This is the hardest part. It's already done. Okay. After that, all you have to do is just put your pen down, put your goddamn pen down, and let it, let the AI do what the AI is meant to do. Okay? The most important thing is now you tell the AI, you comment, hey, make this into a beautiful girl. Now with this drawing, it will it will map itself into a beautiful girl. Look at that. Look at that. Instant. The AI is so smart. You don't have to train, you don't have to do anything. Everything. Now the next thing, AI, you just have to tell the comment right. I want this girl to be a girl that is have a darker skin tone with purple hair with a shade of blue and with a complementary background, and then you let the computer do. It's doing it work now. It's doing it work. Look, beep boop boop boop, beep boop boop, beep boop 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 boop. Look, it's coming out. It's coming out. The line. Oh my god. Oh my god. And then the hair. Oh, AI is so smart. You don't have to learn art. If you do it digitally with AI, this is what happened. And then look, and then you have to see. If you don't like this, you say, what is missing? Oh, what is missing? Give me some light. Give me some light. There you go. The AI will figure out everything. Okay, maybe. Oh, you forgot about the freaking background. What background do you want? Complementary color background. Sure, sure. It's done. You want artistic background? Sure, it's done. Or no? Or yes? I don't know. It's done. Easy, right? Okay. And then the last thing you do is you put your sign. Even your sign is automated. Boom. There you go. Thank you very much. Rose Mix Live signing out. Bye, guys.